Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing good and fine. So today a very important topic for today is for 4 marks in your SEM 1 is type of spicules and type of cells in porifera. So we are studying the spicules, right? Spicules based on the shape and location. They are of mono, tri, tetra and hexa axon. First of all, say me what is the meaning of spicules according to you, which is the outer projection from the animal body is called spicules. If you want to have like clear understanding, I can show you even the diagram like this. Can you see this lining spicules? I think you people got it right. This is called as spicules. Okay, so based on that, it can be monoaxon, means present all over the body. They are present more near ostia. Now I think you know the structure of ostia, right? They are present more near the ostia. If you don't have any idea about ostia, let me show you. This is called ostia. Dermal pore ostia, it is written here, right? This is called ostia. So it is present near ostia. They give shape of the body. Of course, they will give the shape of the body. And they have one ray. Of course, mono means one only, right? And they are needle-like. Just now we have seen the structure, right? Needle-like structure they have. They are present more in mesenchyma, we are saying, okay? Near the ostia and mesenchyma. Next, triaxon. The name itself says tri. Tri means three. Correct. They are present between the radial canal and incurrent canal. Incurrent means again ostia and radial canal. And there are three rays. Of course, we know already this one. From the diagram, we can say this is three rays. They are few in number. They are found very rarely. They are few in number. Okay. Now let's go towards the tetraaxon. There are four rays. Tetra means four only, right? Four ray spicules. They are present in the lining of spongiocele. Now let me show you the spongiocele meaning is like it is present in the cavity, in the stomach cavity, central cavity of the stomach. Like it's here. Can you see the spongiocele? The in between blue color cavity is there, right? It is called spongiocele. So in the lining of the spongiocele, tetraaxon spicules are there, okay? They are also present in the cortex region. Now, hexaaxon, 6 ray spicules. They are present in the excurrent canal. The end of this are pointed. जो इन लोगों के ends रहेंगे, at the ends they are very pointed structures, ठीक है? And what do you mean by excurrent canal? From where the water enters is called incurrent canals. Like you can see the dermal ostia, ingression of water. The water travel here, and it will go out through here. So it is excurrent, and this is your incurrent canal. Getting my point? Chaliye, next. Now, cells of porifera. This is again a very important answer, so be careful with it. First, we are studying about the archaeocytes. What about archaeocyte means? First of all, very important point. It helps in the food transport and digestion. Main thing is the digestion only. Okay. They have large nucleus, food vacuole, and small flagellum, which who archaeocyte cells. I think you might not have an idea, but let me show you this one, okay? So first of all, they help in the transport and digestion, and they have large nucleus. Is it correct? It has a large nucleus. You can see, right? It has a large nucleus and a food vacuole also there. And small flagellum. Do they has? Actually, it doesn't have, but I still wrote for the remembrance. It has a small flagellum, and they are totipotent. Again, the important point is here is totipotent, means the cell which can give rise to different cells, especially ovum and sperm, because they give rise to sperm and ovum. Correct. In asexual reproductive, gamules are formed from these cells. So how much the cell is important? That's why they have given the first preference in the cells to archaeocytes. Now the second one is pinacocytes. And okay, pinacocytes are the large and flat cells with a central nucleus. Okay, and they form in the lining of the spongiocele body wall and incurrent canals. Let me, just for your remembrance, you can remember like that, like pinacocytes, you know. For your remembrance, I can say pinacocyte is very helpful, because the line in the spongiocele, because all the digestion occurs there only. Like spongiocele, it is a mid cavity, so it is there only, and it is present in the incurrent canals. Pinacocytes are large and flat cells with a central nucleus. Let me show you the central nucleus. Where is pinacocytes? This is here, right? This is pinacocyte, and there are central nucleus it's located, and they are located in the spongiocele. Again, you know where is the spongiocele? It's here. The blue color all part is your spongiocele, and incurrent canal is your ostia. You know very well. Next, quinocytes. Quinocytes are the collar cell flagellated oval in shape. Let's go towards quinocytes. Where is quinocytes? It's here. So what we are saying, they are first of all collar cells. Can you see the collar? Of course we can. Flagellated? Yes. Flagellated is also there. Oval in shape? Yes, oval in shape. They have nucleus? Yes, they have nucleus. Contractile vacuole is also there? Yes. Food vacuole is also there. Flagellum is well developed. It has basal granules. Can you see the granules? Like dotted structure is called as granules, and parabasal bodies. They are present in the radial canal, we are saying, and they are also have ribosomes. Again, ribosomes is also there. Quinocyte, collar cell flagellated oval in shape. They have nucleus, contractile vacuole, food vacuole. Flagellum is well developed. It has basal granules, parabasal bodies in between fibrils. They are present in the lining of the radial canal. Now they also have ribosomes and mitochondria, means which generate ATP, the powerhouse. Which one? Quinocytes. Because why quinocytes is mainly, given importance because they are the carrier cells. They play a very important role in carrying the things. Next one is myocytes. Myocytes are present near osculum. I think you know very well what is osculum, right? Where the water exits. It's called as osculum. So myocyte cells are present near the osculum, we are saying. Can we see the myocyte cells? It is here. This is called as myocyte cells. They are present near the osculum. They have the flexibility, very good, and they are spindle shape, as you can see in the figure. They are spindle shape, and they are present especially in the anterior part and posterior part. It could be anterior part or it could be posterior part. Okay, they help in attachment of the body to the substratum, and this sticky secretion they are found in mesenchyme. So what they happen means they will stick this mesenchyme I am talking about, myocyte. So we have studied the 1, 2, 3, 4 points about mesenchyme, and it's finished. Now I have entered into the glandular cells. Glandular cells are nucleated, and they secrete slime, and they help in the attachment of the body to the substratum through this sticky secretion. Of course, when they will secrete slime, it is a sticky substance, and if they are sticky, then it will attach definitely. So it will attach to substratum only there, because we are studying about porifera. They are found in the mesenchyme. Okay, now let's go to the last two cells, that is your amoeboid. Have central nucleus. The main characteristic feature of amoeboid is pseudopodia, finger-like projection called pseudopodia, and they have food vacuole which help in the digestion as well. Very simple one. Now next, the porocyte. Porocyte cells are present in the body wall. They have a nucleus. They have a prosophile. They are present between the radial and incurrent canal. Let me show you the diagram of porocyte. It's here. Can you see a prosophile here? Yes. So it is present between the radial and incurrent canal. So I have completed this. If you want to take the whatever called screenshot, you can. And this is your again types of spicules is there. And at last, we have seen this diagram also, right? This diagram of spicules, and this you should done.